Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. I hope all of you had an amazing day yesterday. I saw that some of you had completed the work like you were supposed to in order to go in for the drawing. Awesome job there. We'll be drawing in a little bit. Um, Guys, this is the last Tuesday of work. So make sure you're knocking out some of your assignments, getting things completed. There are no IXL skills this week. I didn't make a mistake on the video yesterday. This week we did not assign any IXL, so you're good there. You only have your Dreambox, vocabulary, and Lexia. Now, parents, if you want them to work on IXL, you can choose whatever skills you would like for them to work on in third grade, and this is an excellent time for them to work on that. That program is still open for them to complete their work if that's something you want them to do. So for the drawing, you had to complete one task yesterday, and you had to complete it all the way through. And I will let you know who completed. So awesome job, Scarlett, Juliana, Keegan, Colson, Andrew, Brentley, Faith, and Gabriel for completing work yesterday. They completed an entire assignment. And so they're going into the drawing for the $5 Walmart gift card. Make sure you're watching my videos daily so you can see how to earn a prize. Today, I just want you to complete something. So complete something, and we will be drawing for prizes tomorrow. So shaking my hat up. Scarlett. So Scarlett, you earned the $5 gift card. I will be sending that out with the rest of the prizes at the end of the week. So awesome job there. I'm super proud of each of you for doing your work. If you have any questions, parents, feel free to call me. I will be calling some of you today to check in if I haven't heard from you this week. Love you guys, and see you later.